Ensure quality content. It is important that your content marketing efforts should correspond with the event you promote. Here are some tips to use to achieve the best turnout with the best engaged audience for your event. Make sure to refer to the upcoming event in your weekly podcasts, newsletters, or publications. A simple reminder in different ways goes a long way. Remember, one size doesn't fit all, so give the reminder using different slogans, announcing the date and why, announcing the main idea, and how to find the event, and a lot of other angles to use. Create blog posts that highlight information relevant to the event, such as the notable speakers and the platform that you choose to host this event. Create unique videos for the event. You can also visually explain the steps to reserve the tickets for it. Host a free giveaway in your videos to quickly get attention. As we know, videos catches people's attention quicker than words. So do yourself a favor and come up with giveaway options your type of audience would appreciate. If these options aren't for you, try out having a dedicated event page on your website. It is important to create a unique event page on your website that lists all current, upcoming, and past events and a dedicated landing page. When you get a chance to read the content on site, take a look at Amway's events page that clearly lists all the relevant information about the events. Make sure that this events page includes all the information related to the event, a list of any important guests and speakers that present during your event. Also, Neil Patel recommends creating trackable URLs for website and landing pages that help collect data on which methods of event promotion are working the best and to determine which method has the highest return on investment. So any kind of tracking tool, you could just look it up on Google and you'll find some free ones to try out. I believe there's a UTM option extension if you want to use that route as well within Google Chrome, and it basically hooks up to your Google Analytics. Next up is more interested in social media. So for those people that are more interested in social media, here's some options you can take for social media promotion. Try out Facebook. Their platform comes with plenty of useful tools to promote your event. On site within the article, you will see how Mayo Clinic's Facebook events page looks like. And of course, when using Facebook, it's very simple and straightforward. So you just have to play around with the platform. Also, just keep in mind, depending on the industry you're in, Facebook may or may not be the best option. So there's a lot more social media options you can use. But within this article, I'm just going to speak on two. And within the article on site, you can find out more. All right, so the second option is LinkedIn. And with this option, it helps create and leverage professional connections. As I mentioned before, depending on the industry you're in, certain social media accounts might be best. Consider using the group feature on LinkedIn. It revolves around connections of specific interests. You can let your followers know the event you're hosting and can create a group of interested candidates quite easily. Of course, there's more that you can do on Facebook as well. You could kind of do something similar as you do on LinkedIn. But again, depending on the industry, just choose which platform is best and play around to see if they have any event page option or something to help you promote events. So there are a few more to check out on the article, but we will discuss other effective SEO strategies in our next blog post or part 2.